I'll never forget the day our service business turned into a circus. Techs lost in paperwork, jobs double booked, and estimates scattered everywhere. If that kind of chaos feels all too familiar, you might have heard of FieldPulse. But does it actually bring calm, or just wrap chaos in another app? Let's find out together. FieldPulse is a field service management platform built for small to mid-sized trade businesses, contractors, electricians, HVAC pros, appliance repair techs. It promises to unify scheduling, quoting, invoicing, mobile job updates, and more. The question is it intuitive, affordable, and worth the jump? Let's unpack it. Imagine trying to manage leads, quotes, job schedules, material inventory, payments, and customer updates, all while teams are out on the road. You need real-time visibility and simplicity that actually works. FieldPulse aims to deliver. Pricing isn't a flat list on their site. You contact their sales team for a quote. That said, independent reviews describe scalable plans from essential tools for just job scheduling, quotes, and invoicing, up to professional tiers including QuickBooks Sync, multi-location support and API access, and enterprise levels offering advanced workflows, project management, and open API. Reports mention starting around a budget-friendly rate suitable for growing teams. Proof that this platform scales with your needs, not your budget. A big win is how readable and responsive the mobile app is. Techs can update job details, take photos, generate estimates, and collect customer signatures, all on-site and even offline. The centralized price book keeps quotes consistent, and customizable job forms improve accuracy and speed. Reviewers consistently praise its ease of use, mobile-first design, and responsive customer support. On the downside, transparent pricing is lacking. You'll need to talk to sales for a quote. Reporting, while solid for daily needs, feels limited if you need custom analytics. A handful of users mention occasional bugs and wish for deeper integrations or smoother workflows. If you're a small field service team chasing organization and speed, reach out and ask for pricing on their essentials or professional plan. Make sure to walk through mobile workflows and estimate generation during your demo. If that works, you may scale into enterprise features as your operations grow. Beauty of FieldPulse is it grows with you. So that's the honest take on FieldPulse. Easy to use, strong mobile and quoting toolset, and built for teams that want simplicity, not complexity. Pricing transparency needs work, and deep reporting isn't yet there. But for many trade pros, it's a powerful step forward. If this helped bring clarity, hit that like button. Subscribe for more straightforward tool breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.